Hi everybody, it's Nicole. I'm doing a little bit better today. I have been like this lately with the anxiety, so that hasn't helped either. So I've been trying to get things back in order. So I decided today to open up my Lion brand order that I actually had gotten a couple of months ago, and I never got around to order or to open. And I wanted to show you what I picked up because these particular they're like smaller like cakes and skeins are ones that I really liked, and I don't know, they just looked really fun and interesting to me, and may appear in my mystery boxes. I know I haven't updated my mystery box drop down boxes, so that if you are looking to purchase one without the resin item in it, I promise you I will do my best to get those done. My brain is a little jumbled right now, but I'm going to try to get them done today. So I apologize for that in advance. And then the other thing is this channel, if you like my content, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button for anytime I put up new videos. Don't forget, I do have a giveaway going on. It's on my self-care Sunday on a Wednesday video, and you have to watch through the whole video in order to get the magicals keyword in order to enter into the contest. The prize is a trick-or-trade made by me, a resin trick-or-trade made by me, and a Furls K hook in their cookies and cream line, I guess. It's their resin hook. So yes,
tell them not to skip through the video.
Yeah, don't skip through the video. You gotta watch the whole thing, and you gotta watch from beginning to end. I know it is a little long, but you have to watch to the end to get the word, and you have to use that particular phrase or word in the caption or in the comments in order to be entered into the giveaway. The giveaway ends on the 13th, so you still have time to enter. So I have all of the boxes that were listed on my Etsy shop that had no resin items are all sold out. So I still have 3 boxes left that you can get with resin items, but I'm thinking maybe I'm going to try to figure out a way to make it so that you are able to purchase them without or with. But trust me, if you buy one of my resin items, you're gonna be happy with what you get. Like, I'll show you one of the things I made. So like I made this for somebody. This is a tray. So you could actually get something like this, and this here retail value is worth about $50+. So I mean, it's just sparkly and gorgeous. Let's see if we can find another one. Or something like this, again with mica powder, different colors. So yeah, I mean, you can get anything from my trinket trays to my jars, and they're all gorgeous, all handmade by me. And then of course you will get a Furls hook for the giveaway, and then the resin item that goes into any of my mystery boxes are all made by me. So it could be anything from what I've made. So let's get into the unboxing of the order that I made. So like I said, this is Lion brand. We don't really have choices here as far as yarn goes, we have a small selection of craft stores. We have Ben Franklin, and then we have Walmart. We don't have Hobby Lobby, we don't have Michael's, and we don't have Joann's. So a lot of the things that I have to order, I order online. So a lot of the things that you may have seen in my previous videos, I've ordered online and they ship to me from wherever it is that they're at. And then luckily I found a app or widget, whichever you decide to use, called Honey, and it searches for coupon codes to help me save some money on shipping or % off. And you know, I've gotten free shipping from Premier. That saved me like $23, and it makes a big difference. So anyway, so we're gonna see what I bought, because I honestly don't remember. So I got these. First off, I got these Ferris wheels. So they are, I love that they're this magenta and like pumpkin color, and if you can see, there's a little bit of green, black. It's more, I guess you could say they're almost fall colors. So it's 3 ounces, 85 grams, 270 yards, 247 meters, machine washable and dryable. Let's see, and it's a 4 weight, and then it's a H hook. So and it is called Pink Marmalade. So I got 2 of these. They're really soft. I really like them. So I think, I mean, you can make probably a small project out of this. So I try in my mystery boxes to include enough yarn to make at least one small project. So I think if I were to put like 1 or 2 of these in a box, you probably would be able to make something with it. All right, and then I got this, it's called 2 of 1's Color Theory All Season Yarn Essential Spectrum. So an array of colors chosen to work together harmoniously or stand alone effortlessly. It's 3.5 ounces or 100 grams, 246 yards, and 225 meters. It's a 4 weight, and it's an eye hook, and 100% acrylic. Let's see what the other one was. Did I say? This one is also 100% acrylic, so it's really soft, and it's this really nice gray color. So that's that. Now this one here is fun because you get 8 of these mini craft cakes. So we're gonna open them and see, because it looks like they're 2. You get 2 of each color. So they're per cake, it's 3 weight. They're 1.5 ounces a piece, 88 yards, and 100% acrylic, and a G hook. So this one, it looks like it's black, gray, white, and this mustard color. So you get 2 of those. You can see there. And then this one is fun. It's reminds me of like Valentine's Day. You get, it's this nice deep red color, pink or fuchsia, I guess like a medium pink, and then like a ballet slipper color. And then you get 2 of those. And then, ooh, I like these. These are really nice jewel tones. So you get, it's this gorgeous purple color with this deep blue and nice ocean color, or at least what I call ocean color, and this nice sea green color. So you get 2 of those. And then this one, I know somebody who would really like these. Somebody who would actually like these two together. I don't know what they would be able to make with them, but maybe use it as an accent. But I know somebody who would really like them. So it looks like this really deep burgundy color, and then a pumpkin color, and a mustard yellow, and this brown color. Really gorgeous and fall colors. And then, like I said, you got this. So that's what you get in this box. And the nice thing is that these are their mandala craft cakes. And I don't have I don't have prices on them, but I believe I purchased it as a part of a project, but I didn't get a pattern. And it looks like, according to the slip, you don't actually get the pattern. You have to download it, because I think it was a pillow, a butterfly pillow. But actually, you don't need to have a pattern to use it. So you get it in this box here. If anything, I would probably split them up, and you could use it for, accents to any sort of project that you're making. So that's that. Same with this. It's a nice, decent sized skein, and like I said, it's really soft, probably because it's 100% acrylic. And then these are my favorites. I really like this. I might see if they have any more of these, and maybe purchase them in different colorways to have in my stock. With my mystery boxes, if you don't know, it's me destashing some of my yarn. So the yarn that you get is actually things that I have purchased with my own money and that I am sharing with you. So you can get anything from the big companies like Lion Brand or Premier, or those kind of companies, to these really small hand-dyed companies where they tend to be more on the higher end side. So I try to do my best to mix it up as well as I can, as well as to try to think of, okay, what would I pick for this person. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's a little bit shorter than my normal videos, but like I said, my anxiety has been really kicking my butt lately, but it is what it is. I'm used to it. I manage it with medication, and I have no shame about that. I do have therapy coming up. My therapist actually canceled a session a couple of weeks ago, so I missed out on that. So that's part of the reason why I'm not in such a steady place. But I will be mailing out the last of the orders, hopefully by the end of the week. And then I'm hoping today I can figure out how to add those 2 drop-down boxes, so that if you are looking to purchase the last 3 boxes that I have available with a resin item or without, that you can do so that I can get those out the door, and then see what I have left, and then see what I can put together with what I have. And then I do have more stuff coming in, and then purchase more other items, because I do want to order from other places that I have ordered from, like Hobie, from Mary Maxim, and other companies like Hirschner's and stuff. So anyway, please like this video, share if you want to, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget about my giveaway, because it's a great giveaway, and since I am so close to 100, I am going to be doing a 100 milestone giveaway probably next week. I haven't decided exactly what I will be giving away, but I will be looking for some items to be giving away. It'll be fun. It won't be like some massive giveaway, but it'll be something fun. So yeah, for those of you who keep coming back, I really appreciate you. Thank you for sticking around and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. For those of you who are new and are enjoying these videos, I also appreciate you because you know, it's always nice to meet new people and make new friends. And those of you who are looking, come on and subscribe. I mean, you never know, you might actually like what I have to offer and what we talk about. And then like I said, giveaway going on right now. Giveaway when I hit 100, and then I'm gonna see if I can do a live here within the next week or so. My birthday is on the 13th, so I want to do something to celebrate my birthday, possibly with that live, more than likely on the 18th. And then even if only one person comes, it doesn't matter. And then just to have some fun and talk to you guys. So until next time, I will talk to you later. So from me to you, mahalo, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.